Good evening. In the budget speech of 2021 and 2022, the Finance Minister of India, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, has announced that the government's target of achieving 1,75,000 crores through disinvestment. But what do you mean by this disinvestment, first of all? Disinvestment means the government will withdraw its investments from a public sector undertakings. As a part of this 1,75,000 crores, the government also proposed that certain public sector banks will also be privatized, meaning the shares of the government will be withdrawn and they will be sold to the private entities. This is what is going to happen, and in the same lines, on May 5th, 2021, the government has decided, of course, it is a cabinet committee on economic affairs headed by the Prime Minister of India, has taken a decision to go ahead with the privatization of the IDBI Bank. IDBI stands for Industrial Development Bank of India, and government has taken a decision, and in that IDBI, large stakeholder is LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. And in the year 2019, IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, has permitted LIC to increase its stake. But now, the stake of the government plus the stake of LIC put together in IDBI is 94%. Now, government and LIC, they are going to withdraw, meaning they are going to sell their certain shares to the private entities. So that is the privatization. So government will be losing its ownership on certain shares because that is going to be there with the private entities soon. But how much is going to be done, that is going to be decided by the government very soon after consulting Reserve Bank of India. Please remember, and when it comes to IDBI was established in the year 1964. Please remember this point. Number two, as far as you know, this Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs is concerned, they may ask you a question in the examination: who is the head of the CCEA? Please remember, I told you many times earlier also, it is the Prime Minister who heads the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Fine. And apart from this, I also have some information and I am going to share that information with you. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this. The Union Cabinet on May 5th, 2021 gave in principle approval for strategic disinvestment along with the transfer of management control in IDBI Bank in line with the budget announcement earlier this year. So please remember, during our economy classes we have discussed in depth what is the meaning of privatization, what is this disinvestment, how exactly it is done, what is the purpose, various things we have discussed. Now this is just an updation to our existing knowledge. Look at this. The central government and LIC together own more than 94% equity of IDBI Bank. Kindly remember, this IDBI, which was established in the year 1964, it was established as DFI. It has been transformed into a bank in the year 2004. Now look at this. LIC, currently the promoter of IDBI Bank with management control, has 49.2% stake. And look at this very clearly. As I told you, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Please remember this one. It is one of the very important cabinet committees in India, and this is always headed by the Prime Minister. and that cabinet committee on economic affairs on May 5th, 2021 approved the strategic sale of IDBI Bank. Am I clear? Next, the extent of respective shareholding to be divested by the central government and LIC shall be decided at the time of a structuring of a transaction in consultation with RBI. Am I clear? Very, very, very important. So the possible questions from here will be when IDBI was established, when IDBI was transformed into a bank, right? And which is the largest stakeholder in IDBI, that is LIC. All these are important. And who is the chairman of a cabinet committee on economic affairs? Clear? Am I clear? Look at this. Another very important point. Again, a possible question. Look at this. Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, while presenting the budget of 2021-22, had announced the privatization of public sector banks. Meaning, during the budget speech, she announced that the privatization of the public sector banks, right? And privatization of public sector banks is a part of the disinvestment drive to garner 1.75 lakh crores. Very, 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 very important. So tomorrow it may be a question. What is the target of the government to garner through disinvestment for the year 2021 and 2022? And your answer should be 1,75,000 crores, right? So 1.75 lakh crores. Very important one. Am I clear? So like this, the economy topics are important always. So whatever you have learnt during your classes, through current affairs like this, you will be updating your knowledge. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next class.